Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna open up the Fall 2021 JB Style Box. Ugh! It's a big one. Let's dig in. Is everyone excited for fall? I love summer, but I love fall as well. I like when it gets a little bit cooler, but not so cold that you can't stand outside. I also like fall fashion. Your box has arrived. So your $20 styling fee will be applied to anything you keep over $50. And if you keep at least 3 or more items, the return shipping will be covered. But if you don't, you have to pay for the return shipping. I'm trying to do the JB Style Box seasonally instead of every month or every other month because they always send me a lot more stuff than other boxes do. And also, you know, paying for shipping back if I don't pick more than 3 items. I just don't want to add that to my bills, if you know what I mean. So here's the first bundle. It looks very pretty. All right, so the first thing I see is a shirt from Billabong. I like Billabong, they have cute stuff. This is like a basic long sleeve tee, and it is very soft. It feels nice. All right, the next thing, oh gosh, it's this sweater again. I don't know about, well maybe this will look nice, but I don't know about this style sweater on me because it just usually doesn't look right. And it does remind me of the 80s, which is fine, but if we're gonna go 80s, let's just go 80s all the way. Let's see, I wanna make sure this is not wool because if it is, we're not gonna get it. I don't do very well. It's got 7% wool, so I'm probably not going to be able to try it on for more than 2 seconds because I am really allergic to wool. Even if it's 2%, it really does a number on my skin. So, I mean, we're going to send it back because I just can't, I can't do wool. Pretty colors again. You know, these are great, but I think I have enough for now. I'm going to have to pass on this, but this is the, what is the name of this brand? This is the Nikki Bicky. It's a sports bra, and like I said, they're really nice. I have too many now at this point. I don't need any more. If it was in a color that I don't have, I probably would consider it, but I have pretty much every color bra top there is. All right, this is a mock neck top. It is by Design in LA, Liverpool jeans. Liverpool jeans, and it feels very soft. It's very fall-like. Next one is this Dakota Sweater. It's a pretty color. I like this color. Gotta make sure it's not wool. Okay, no, it's not. It's acrylic and polyester. I wish they would make more things in cotton, but I know that's just so expensive to make because cotton's better for the environment, but you know, it is what it is. All right, this is it's a cute top. Not a fan of plaid. I feel like I look like a lumberjack when I wear plaid. Other people might not think so, but I really feel like when I'm wearing this, I need to get an axe and just chop down some trees. But it's cute. I mean, we're gonna have to try it on. It is called Wishlist Apparel. You never know. I might go lumberjack. Would that be Lumberjill? Because I don't know if I look like a jack. All right, we've got an accessory. Okay, this is a pair of earrings. It's not my style, but they are cute. They're not too heavy. Again, it kind of reminds me of the 80s, but in the 80s this probably would have been like a neon green or something like that. All right, they do go with that plaid top. These must be shoes. Oh, I like these. This is the brand Coconuts. They're very light. These are actually very cute. Now, hopefully they won't hurt my feet because I've got very sensitive feet. And just very sensitive. I can't wear wool. I can't wear shoes. I can't wear plaid. I mean, I don't know, something's wrong with me. But they have like a lavenderish kind of look tone to them, so that really makes my day. I have not bought a pair of shoes in a while, like solid shoes, you know. I'm not talking about flip-flops or sandals here, but these are really cute. I think they're vegan leather, which is good for like walking out and then all of a sudden it starts raining and you don't have to worry about your shoes getting messed up. So I mean, I like these. So that's all. Let me read the description. The great thing about jbstylebox is that they write you an actual note with their hands, not printed up or anything. It is actually like written. Hey Didi, we got some beautiful color in this box for you. I don't know about you, but I love fall clothes. So September is one of my favorite months. My pictures will tell you how I picture everything, but have fun trying on. All right, so yes, they do actually give you photographs of the clothes and different ways of wearing them. There's like major layering going on. And you know, the thing is, like, you look at something, you're like, I'm not sure about that, but once you try it on and you put the outfit together, it can be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna go try everything on and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the first outfit. This sweater has a beautiful color. I love the sleeves, but it's itching me so bad, even on top of this top. So I'm gonna take this off now and then tell you my thoughts. It is from BB Dakota and it has 7% wool in it. I'm very, very sensitive to wool. I just can't wear it, even with clothing underneath. And I did check this and it's not wool. So that said, it's a pretty color, not quite my style. I'm not sure if I'm into the Mr. Rogers look, but it is pretty. It's a pretty color. It just itches. If I were to buy something like that, I would probably spend about $55, $60. And the real price is, oh wow. And the real price is $99. Do I think it's worth it? If you want to spend $99 on a wool cardigan that looks like that style, go right ahead. I don't think it's a bad quality. It's just not something that would make me happy. Personally, I would not spend that much on something that I wasn't crazy about. Maybe if I was crazy about it, I would spend more. Like I said, it's wool, so it's gonna have to go back. The next thing is this Billabong. It's like a long sleeve t-shirt. It's very soft, great layering piece. I don't mind it. I think I have something that is almost similar to this, so I'd have to look and see. Besides that, what would I pay for this? I think it's very soft and it seems like it's well made. I have a few things from Billabong and they've all lasted and passed the test of time. I would say this is about $50. And the real price is $49.95. I don't mind it at all. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy it, but I will probably let you know in the video once it's done. And then last but not least, the Nikki Bicky Bralette. I think I have paid $29 for it or something along that line. And the real price in that is $32. Not bad. Like I said, I have enough of these. I don't need any more. And finally, these lovely, what do you call these? These lovely boots. They have like a lavender finish to them. I absolutely love these. And I'm getting these as long as they're not over $100. But if I were to see these in the store, I would say they'd probably be around the $79 to $80 mark. And the real price is $100. Okay, so something to think about. I do have the $20 credit that goes to that. In essence, they would be $80. Yeah, I like these a lot. I think they're super cute. Now on to the next outfit. So this is the next outfit. This is the BB Dakota mixed business sweater. Pullover, I'm not sure. I like the color, I don't like the style. I feel like it looks kind of juvenile, which I think I've been telling you guys about before, that a lot of these new styles and fashions that are coming out are things reminiscent of elementary school. And I don't know if I want to go back there. I think it's a nice sweater. I think that somebody like my daughter, who's way younger than me, would like it. And I think if one were to buy this, they would probably want to spend about $75 to $80. And it's not wool, so that's a good thing. The real price is $89. I think that's an okay price. Like I said, you know, it's made well and it's soft, but it's just not my style. So on to the next piece. Now, I know that 90s are coming back in style. I'm not into it though. I mean, I'm into the part where it's like all grungy and, you know, distressed jeans and long dresses that look like you were frolicking through the 1800s, but not this look. First of all, I think it's fine. It is a classic look. And I think whether it's the 90s, the 2000s, or the 3000s, this is something that anybody could possibly wear were they trying to go for a very classic look. I, however, not a fan. I feel like I'm being choked to death because I don't do well with like mock necks, turtlenecks, etc. I can do good with like a cowl neck, but if there's anything like choking me, it's not very comfortable. This is very well made though. This brand is Liverpool and it's very soft. I would say this is a nice brand. I think that looking at the seams and everything, this runs about $90 and the real price is $48, which I think is a great price for this. Like I said, it's not my style. Absolutely not. But it is a good price. $48 is a very, very good price for this top. The sleeves are not too short. It's very soft. I feel like I'm choking to death. So if you can handle that, I would recommend it. It's a good layering piece. And then the last thing is these earrings that were in the box. Also not my style, but they're cute. What I would pay for these? The brand is called New Leaf, and I think in the past these ran about $30, so that's what I think it is. It's about $30-ish, and the real price is $34. Not bad. How did I know that? All right, I'll be back with the last outfit. Hey there. Anywho, yes, I feel like I look like a lumberjack. What can I say? This is a cute top, but I think it just doesn't look right on me. When I turn around, I mean, it's okay. Like I said, everything looks kind of juvenile. I don't know if that's like the look everyone's going for. And I know that people want to be more comfortable, but I don't. I still want to look like I'm dressing up for Halloween, but not like a lumberjack. It's not my thing. Anyway, if I were to buy this, I would say, I don't know. I don't even know the brand. Hold on. Okay, the brand is Wishlist. I would say this runs about $60. And the real price is $46, which is not bad. But like I said, I'm just not feeling it. This was an interesting box. I think the only thing that I'm going to get out of these are the boots. I think the boots are great. I will definitely wear them forever. This is kind of like, you know, something that will never go out of style, or at least not for the next 10 years. And I think it's great. I think it's a cute color. They're comfortable, the style is right, and you can wear it with a dress. You can wear it if you're auditioning to be a lumberjack. In any case, I'll be right back with final thoughts. So I'm gonna start with my least favorite to my most favorite. And these aren't like my least favorite, these are like my second least favorite, only because like it's not my style, but they're cute. So if this is a style that you really like, go for it. I will leave descriptions and prices down below, so in case you want to buy them. Okay, least favorite. Like I said, this is very well made. It's very nice. I'm not into this look. I'm not a fan of mock necks, so it was a little too tight for me and made me feel a little uncomfortable. Like I said, it's not my style, but I think if it was, I would definitely buy something like this. It just felt very soft and nice and well made. The next thing that I'm kind of bummed about this, only because I like the color, but not necessarily the style on me, and definitely not the wool part. This was $99. It's okay. It itches me. Like I'm just like still itching. If I keep it on too long, I will end up with hives. But I mean, it's cute for somebody who's 20 years younger than me, I think. All right, so this is the other BB Dakota sweater. I didn't like the way it fit. I like the color. The color is beautiful. I'm glad that it wasn't wool, but I wasn't crazy about the way it looked on me. Like I said, it looked like, a lot of these things look like things I had when I was in elementary school in the 80s. So I don't mind the shape so much if it had been a different color. I think that because it's kind of plaid, it kind of made me feel kind of like, let's chop down a tree, you know, and that's just me. Like, I think if I see other people wearing plaid shirts like this, I'm like, God, she looks so good, you know, but when I wear one, I feel like a mountaineer, you know, some guy with an axe, like up in the mountains with a beard and a hat. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but you know what I'm talking about, you know, lumberjack. It's not my look. Totally worth it though if you like it. This one isn't bad, I like it, but I have something similar to this in the same color, so I feel like it's just kind of like, I don't really need to buy another one. Second to last, this was I don't hate this top. I really don't. I think it's nice. I just have something very similar to it. I don't need to buy another beige top. I think I have enough beige tops. Had this been a different color, I don't know, like in the purple department, I may have kept it, but I don't need any more beige tops. However, these spark joy. I love the color. I love the way they look. They're very comfortable, and they're $100, but my $20 styling fee will go to this, so it will be $80. But because I didn't buy 3 or more items, I will have to pay for shipping, and I cannot remember how much shipping cost last time. I think it may have been between $5 and $7. I will tell you down below in the description how much I did pay for shipping the last time I had to ship everything back. Or did I? Did I have to pay for shipping? Oh my god, I don't even know. In any case, I will let you know how much this costs to ship it back. Thanks for watching. Let me know what was your favorite thing in the box down in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Bye!